I wasted 6 hours on my first CapCut edit. Then I discovered these 4 secret tricks that changed everything. Ever felt stuck staring at your CapCut screen? Ever wish editing was as easy as a swipe? What happens when CapCut actually speeds up your editing? I will walk you through 4 editing cheat codes that will bring instant results without a sweat, even if you're a beginner. Here's the best part. Most of these tricks are completely free. And wait for the final trick. It will blow your mind.
Transitions.
You know that feeling when you're watching a video and the cuts are so jarring they literally hurt your eyes? We're about to fix that forever and make your videos flow like silk. First, add 2 clips. Make sure your clips are touching with 0 gaps. Even a single frame gap and the transition won't work. Think of clips like puzzle pieces. They need to fit perfectly. Select the spot between 2 clips where you want to add your transition. Tap the small transition box from up here. You'll see a library of options, free and paid. Let's try Whoosh. It's free and incredibly effective. Drag it between your clips. See how much smoother that feels? But here's the secret. Don't just drop them in randomly. Always place your transition right where there's a natural movement or action in your footage. If you're pointing left, use a transition that moves left. If you're jumping, use an upward transition. This creates something called motivated editing, and it's what separates amateur from professional. Advanced pro tip: match your transition speed to your music's BPM. Fast beat equals quick transitions. Slow melody equals longer, more dramatic transitions.
Effects that add value.
Even big creators with millions of followers rarely share this technique. Tap Effects in your timeline. Choose your base effect. Let's start with something subtle like mist. Drag it to create a new layer above your footage. I want to apply this to the entire video. That creates a beautiful mood. 1 effect looks nice, 2 effects look good, but stack 3 effects strategically, your video literally jumps off the screen and grabs viewers by the eyeballs. So now I'm going to stack and add a halo blur to the start of the video. Next, I want to add a flash right here. Let's keep it short. Long effects feel cluttered. Trim effects to only your most exciting moments. Think beat drops, punchlines, dramatic reveals. Each effect should complement, not compete. 1 quick glitch on a beat drop or key moment, chef's kiss. 10 glitches in 30 seconds, headache material. Use blur effects for focus. When you want viewers to focus on specific text or objects, the subtle radial blur draws the eye exactly where you want it. Who is that electric? Tap the like button if you want my favorite glitch pack next time.
Animations that bring life.
Static clips are the kiss of death for viewer retention. But add the right animations, your video becomes a living, breathing experience that hypnotizes viewers. To access animation, tap your clip, then select Animations. You'll see 3 categories: in, out, and loop. This is where boring footage becomes cinematic gold. For perfect entry animations, choose In Animations, how clips appear. Zoom in for energy, swing in for playfulness. I'm going with slide right. Set duration to 0.8 seconds for that professional feel. Never go longer than 1 second. Viewers will click away. For a smooth exit strategy, add out animations, how clips disappear. Fade out for smooth. Slide left for dynamic. Keep it consistent with your in animation style. Professional editors animate everything. Even static text gets micro movements. It's the difference between homemade and Hollywood. Did that feel like pure editing magic? Type yes in the comments.
Background removal magic.
Want to teleport yourself into any scene with literally 1 tap? I'm about to show you something that feels like actual magic. First, import your background clip. Think epic city skyline, beach sunset, or even a movie scene. Drag it to your timeline as your base layer. This becomes your teleportation destination. Import your green screen footage. Place it directly on top of your background clip. Make sure both clips are aligned perfectly. Tap on Remove BG, then select Chroma Key. Select the green color picker tool. Tap anywhere on the green background. Boom, it vanishes instantly. Now just adjust the top layer however you like. Adjust intensity slider. Usually 80 to 90% works best. Fine-tune shadow settings to clean up those jagged edges. Pro tip, zoom in to check for any green spillover on your hair or clothes. No green screen? No problem. This is where CapCut's AI background removal comes in. But not just for green screen. First, add a background scene just like before. Now, layer the video that you want the background removed above it. Make sure the video's background is clean and not cluttered. Cluttered messes don't give the best results. Now, hit Remove Background, CapCut Pro feature. The AI automatically cuts you out. It's honestly scary accurate. Perfect for those I forgot to set up my green screen moments. There is also the option to remove the background manually for free, but it is cumbersome work and could take a while to perfect. Bonus trick! Here's a cool way to use this feature. First, add your footage to the timeline. Now, duplicate it and layer it on top. Remove background for the top layer, and then add blur effect to the bottom layer. This creates an instant cinematic depth of field effect that makes it look like I shot this with a $5,000 camera and professional lighting. The whole process takes 2 minutes. I'm going to add some text and sandwich it between both the video layers. Next, let's add some in and out animations to this text. And look at that, isn't that cutting edge? We can make this next level awesome by adding some transitions. To add transitions, I split all 3 layers at the point I want and then drag in the transition. Let's look at the result. That is a real wowzer. And that 4th trick, that's exactly how I edited this entire video in under 30 minutes. Every single background effect you've seen was created using that AI background removal technique. These 4 tricks, motivated transitions, strategic effects, sequenced animations, and AI background magic, they're the difference between videos that get scrolled past and videos that get shared. And if this helped you level up your editing game, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new CapCut tutorials every week. And if you want to learn a quick and easy way to make faceless viral videos using a free CapCut feature, check out this video.